Gravity is a force that pulls things downward, so why is it that tightrope walkers are able to balance their full weight on a tiny rope? The answer is center of gravity. What is center of gravity? All objects have mass that is concentrated at a certain point, and this is called their center of gravity. In fancier terms, center of gravity is the unique point where the weighted relative position of the distributed mass sums to zero. We can look at a ball which has a neater center of gravity in comparison to, let's say, the human body as an example of this. The ball's center of gravity is easier to find due to its neat round shape. When you have a perfect shape like this, such as a circle, rectangle, square, the center of gravity is usually found in the center of the object, where the weight distribution is even. When you look at the human body, on the other hand, the center of gravity is not as obvious as the ball. The center of gravity point is usually found slightly above the waist because the top half is heavier than the bottom half. Why does it work this time? When the can is empty, the center of gravity is somewhere in the center of the can, so when it is tilted, it falls over because it is not supported. However, when the can has a little bit of water, the center of gravity is moved toward where the water is. When the can is diagonal, gravity pulls the water towards the bottom, which in turn allows the center of gravity to be supported. Let's go over what we learned. Center of gravity is an imaginary point in a body of matter where the total amount of weight is all concentrated. The location of the center of gravity depends on the geometric shape of the body and whether it's symmetrical or not. You can find the center of gravity of a body by trying to suspend it and keep it balanced at a single point. Center of gravity is very important because without it, everything would be falling over.